Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. Go to deposit, copy your Litecoin wallet address from deposit, come in this website link available in description. Put your Litecoin wallet address in here. After putting your Litecoin wallet address, just click login. After clicking login, first of all, solve this captcha is available in the top. After solving this captcha, is too easy, not too hard to solve. Then solve the edge captcha. Click the edge captcha showing an image. It's a line. Just click the line available in this picture and click next. And click next. Okay, just click verify captcha, and you can see this website send me my institution instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay, go to overview. In here you can see this website send me my institution instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in the description. Click the link and come here, join yourself and claim your free Litecoin.